So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your Pocket, and this time we are talking about an alternate for BitNet by Microsoft. So if you remember, a few months back Microsoft released BitNet 1-bit LLMs, and now we have got another 1-bit LLM called as BitCPM4. So recently Mini CPM4 series has been released. It is one of the most underrated LLM series that is great for real world application and great for edge AI also. And within this series, they have released a new variant called as BitCPM4, which is also a ternary weight LLM. That is, it stores the weights in -1, 0, +1 only. As you can see, it follows 1-bit quantization, hence requires 90% less training and provides breakthrough performance. So let's try to understand different details about bit CPM4. So why 1-bit LLMs are even required? Multiple reasons. Because LLMs usually, if you want to use the big ones, require massive memory, and they are just not deployable also. Most of the times the people are not able to use them also because they don't have a GPU. Computational load is quite heavy and requires specialized hardwares as GPU. Now, once the incoming of 1-bit LLM comes into the picture, anyone can run LLMs in their computer or in their mobile phones also. Hence, bit CPM4 is just another add-on to this 1-bit LLM series and looks to be great on benchmarks as well. How bit CPM4 is prepared? So this is a little different from Microsoft BitNet. So Microsoft BitNet was trained from scratch on ternary weights, while bit CPM4 follows quantization. So it takes up the original model and performs quantization. Quantization is sort of a compression technique which helps you to store information with the loss of some accuracy. So in general, any LLM model, the weights are stored in 32-bit precision. That means every weight value occupies 32 bits in memory or 64 bits, whatever is the size. Now, when you talk about bit CPM4 or BitNet, these models store the weights in just 1 or 1.5 bits. So that's a reduction of about 30 times. Hence, they are very fast also, and as you can see, 90% less training tokens are required. As mentioned, as you can see, ternary weights convert all the weights. All the weights are either -1, 0, or +1. Now giving a head-on-head comparison between bit CPM4 and BitNet, as you can see, bit CPM4 is trained on pre-trained checkpoints. So it's sort of quantized version of an already existing LLM, while Microsoft BitNet was trained from scratch. The data required for bit CPM4 was about 350 billion tokens, while in case of Microsoft BitNet, it was 4 trillion. That's huge. Low cost compute, high compute investment in BitNet, and standard frameworks can run bit CPM4 but not BitNet. It usually requires bitnet.cpp. Talking about the performance and impact of bit CPM4, bit CPM4 has been released in two versions. As you can see, 0.5 billion surpasses Quen 3.6 billion model on MMLU, and bit CPM4 1B matches the BitNet 2 billion parameter variant. This is a big news. So hence you can say that bit CPM4 is right now the best small sized LLM that you can have, and especially in 1-bit series. Competitive performance with reduced cost and resource efficient, we all can see that. So with this, it's a wrap. Bit CPM4 is completely open source and the weights are present on Hugging Face. Do try the model out. The codes are also given, and let me know in the feedback how you feel about it. Thank you.